Hi guys, how are you doing? Welcome to this quick tutorial. Before we start, I want to show you my result first. As you can see here, this account shows Spotify Premium active. So in this video, I'm going to show you the steps I use to check and claim the offer. Now, let's get started. First thing first, open Google and search for Geiler.site. Make sure you choose the first one, it's the official page only. After that, once you are on the offer page, scroll and look for Spotify. When you find the Spotify Premium offer, click on it. Now you should see an option like Proceed to Claim or something similar. Click on that and you will be one step closer to checking the offer on your account. From here, just follow the instructions shown on the screen. You may need to sign in to your Spotify account, confirm your details, or check if the offer is available for you. Important note, this offer may depend on your country, your account type, and Spotify eligibility. Always check through the official offer source, the Spotify app, or the Spotify website. That's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment Spotify if you want more useful tips like this.